Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a double unboxing of two things from Louis Vuitton. These were actually my Christmas presents. I unwrapped them but I didn't use them yet. So, and then I never filmed anything. So now that the weather's nicer, I want to start using them. I always hate to use a new bag in the winter when it's like snowy and rainy. So it's April 1st today, so time to break these babies out and start using them. So here we go. I love the Christmas packaging, so pretty. So item number one, and I have item number two. And this was just the receipts. Okay, I'll open the small one first. We have the outer box, and these boxes, the way they open, it always reminds me of like a little bed, like a pull-out bag. So we have the dust bag, and what I got was from the Christmas animation series. There's Vivienne, and this was in the Paris animation series, and it is just a little wallet. It has slots for cards. You can put your coins in there or cash. I thought this was actually great for my smaller bags, so I could use this instead of my giant Louis Vuitton wallet, which does not fit in my smaller bags. And I thought it was really cute. I never had any interest in the animation series. I mean, they're really cute, but I consider them novelty items. I mean, if you collect them, it's one thing, but these days I prefer to have things that are just the more classic patterns or monogram or demi-bean or something. But when I was younger, I totally would have been all over this. I just feel like I'm too old now for this. But anyway, the sales associate kind of talked me into this, and I'm glad I have it. It's really cute, and I do love the pink interior. So anyway, that's my first item. And I did say these are Christmas presents. So this was a Christmas present from my pet, who has his own social media accounts and makes his own money. So he very generously bought this for me. And then this was a gift from my mom. She wanted to get me something, and so we went together and picked this out together. So I have a very old vintage Louis Vuitton bag. It's the Noé bag, and I've had it, oh my gosh, for probably over 20 years. I don't really wear it much anymore, but I should. I did have to have the vachetta restored because it was coming apart, but I have a small Louis Vuitton. I have an epi leather, a red epi leather bag, but I wanted just like a kind of everyday bag that I could use. So I picked this out, and I like crossbody bags. So I thought about getting the Alma BB, but when I got to the store, it just was so small that I just didn't feel like it was practical for me, although it's a beautiful bag. But I picked out this. It's the Odeon PM. I loved it, and as I said, my mom was there with me because she wanted to get something for me, and so this is what I chose, and she thought it was really nice too. Let me just put this down. So I love it because it does have this spacious pocket on the front where I'm gonna put my phone and maybe a hand sanitizer, and then it has inside, I don't know if you can see in there, this is the strap. It has a slip pocket inside, and then it has the large, main compartment there. So big enough to put a wallet and anything else I need. And then it does have the strap. It can be a shoulder strap or crossbody strap. And I would probably be most likely to use this as a crossbody bag, but I could use it as a shoulder bag if I wanted to. And it's pretty easy to just attach this. And it is adjustable, which is great. And I love the look of vachetta, but it does get dirty. So I like this because it has the black leather trim instead of the vachetta. So I thought that was really nice. And this is my first damier ébène that I've ever had. And I love it. It's so nice. I would love to get a Neverfull like this, maybe at some point. So that's it. That's my bag. I honestly could do without this. It is detachable, so if it starts getting in the way, I might remove it, but for the moment, I'm gonna leave it. I just keep thinking it's sort of like my bag has a nose or something. But anyway, there it is. I'm excited to start wearing it. I think maybe this week. And that's it. Thanks so much. Let me know if you have a favorite Louis Vuitton pattern. Do you like damier ébène? Do you like the classic monogram? Do you like damier azur? Maybe some of the special patterns. Do you like the Christmas animation? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks, everyone. Bye.